This car Lexus RX350 V6 engine, how to replace auto transmission fluid, WS, and how to check auto transmission fluid level no stick. Please watch full video step by step, and if you like, subscribe our channel SCS Automotive, click bell button so that you will get notification when new video is uploaded. Like the video and share it with all your friends. Comment if there is any problems to understand. First, remove auto transmission fluid to change. Remove auto transmission fluid WS. Open this auto transmission gearbox oil pan bolt. Now I will remove automatic transmission fluid WS. When open this auto transmission gearbox oil pan bolt, within and side have auto transmission overflow hex volt. Remove the overflow hex volt plastic screw. After opening the overflow hex bolt, remove the transmission fluid. If the overflow hex bolt is not opened, the transmission inside the gearbox will not come out. Note that the overflow hex bolt must be opened. Remove automatic transmission fluid, then reinstall hex overflow volt. Remove the two 10mm size screws to open the left side plastic cover. Remove to access the WS fill volt size 24mm. Now I will remove the fill volt. Remove to access the WS fill volt size 24mm. Now I will remove the fill volt. Remove fill volt, then install new auto transmission fluid WS. Install the new use for Toyota WS auto transmission fluid. Once the auto transmission fluid install is complete, then start the engine to check the auto transmission fluid level. How to check auto transmission fluid level. Start the car engine and press the brake pedal with your foot, then change the gear shift every 5 seconds like P, R, N, D to N. Keep the gear shift in N position and check the auto transmission fluid level without starting the engine. To check auto transmission fluid, open the 14mm overflow drain bolt. If oil comes out, then the oil level is fine. If it is low, then install more oil. If you change the auto transmission fluid, use 3.8 liters. This oil level is okay. If you have any problem in understanding the video, please let me know in the comment box.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.